Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the acorn. I'll show you how to make the Chinese way. I got one of those acorn. You have to steam for 15 minutes first. Okay. Then I have a half ounce of onion and 3 ounces of scallop and 3 ounces of shrimp. And for the sauce, I have 1/4 cup of water. Then I put 1 teaspoon of soy sauce in it and 2 tablespoons of the hoisin sauce in it. Okay, for the shrimp, I put a pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, and put some white pepper in it. Okay, then I mix. And mix the shrimp too. Then I put it together. And I put about half teaspoon of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it. Mix. Okay, I'm going to put it on the side. The acorn, I'm going to put it upside down. So put it like this. I'm going to cut it. Cut the top of it. Because I already steamed 15 minutes, so they're really soft. Okay. Then I scoop the inside the seed out. I don't need the seed. Okay, they clean up pretty well right now. Okay, then I'm going to scoop the inside the meat out of it. You have to be careful because after steam it, they're really soft. You don't want to poke it. Okay, still scoop a little more meat from over that side. Okay, looks good. So I'm going to cut into pieces. Okay, looks good. Then I'm going to turn on the heat. Okay, now the wok is hot, so I'll put a little bit oil in it. Okay, I'm going to put some shrimp and scallop in it. Okay, they look nice and brown, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, let me turn on the heat back again. Put a little bit oil in it. I'm going to put the onion in it. Put some acorn in it. All the seafood in it. Put the salt in it too. Okay, this is all done. Okay, I'm going to put it right here. And then I'm going to sprinkle some chives in it. Like this one. Okay, this is how I make today the Chinese recipe acorn.